Sometimes you have to cut off the dead branches to let the tree thrive. Cutting someone off doesn't mean you hate them. It simply means you respect yourself. Closing the door to toxicity opens the window to peace. When someone shows you their true colors, don't try to repaint them. Cut your losses and move on. Letting go doesn't mean giving up, but rather accepting that there are things that cannot be. Not everyone you lose is a loss. Sometimes it's a gain. You can't move forward if you're still hanging on to the past. Sometimes cutting ties is the best way to move on. Your peace is more important than being around people who create drama. Sometimes the best closure is moving on. Cutting ties with someone doesn't mean you hate them. It means you respect yourself enough to not let their negativity affect you. Removing toxic people from your life is essential for your well-being. It's not an act of cruelty, but an act of self-care. In the end, we will remember not the words of our enemies, but the silence of our friends. Martin Luther King, Jr.B. Cutting someone off isn't about proving a point. It's about protecting your peace. You can't change what has already happened, but you can control what happens next. Sometimes the door closes on a relationship, not because we failed, but simply because something better is waiting for us. Remember, the decision to cut someone off is a personal one and should be made with careful consideration of your own well-being.